How to add shake to reveal on Instagram story. So first things first, head over to Instagram and onto Instagram, click on add new story. And from right here, choose the picture that you want to add up. Let's just say this is the picture I want to add up. Let me adjust it right. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to swipe upwards. I'm going to click onto frames. If you don't actually find the frame section from here, you can search that up, but it's directly right here. So let me click on frames. And from the frame section, what you're going to do is you're going to select the photo that you want to add in. I'm going to click on this photo. You can tap in any sort of caption that you like. I would like to add this one. And once you're done, you can simply click on done. And people can basically shake this photo to reveal what the photo is all about. And once you're done, you can simply add this up onto your story or post it up the way you like. You can also adjust or add in multiple different filters and play around with the story if you'd like to. So guys, this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like and also comment down below if you guys need any more help with this.